Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to another chapter of Spanish Language Learning Center. And today we'll be talking about two ER verbs, caer and traer. And the reason for discussing two of them next to each other is that their yo form is irregular. Yes, their yo form is different from normal ER verb yo ending. Alright, so first comes caer. So when we look at this verb, let's go back to the first lesson of this series where we were talking about sounds of the consonants, and there we learned that if there is a present after say, we say sounds like hard K in English. So that is the reason this verb is pronounced as caer, caer, which means to fall or to hang. Let's look at the conjugation. So yes, it's yo form, it ends in ego, so it's not cow, unlike regular ER verb. It's kaigo, kaigo. To form, you fall, kaes. He fall, she fall, or you fall. El, ea, usted form, cae. We fall, nosotros form, caemos. You all fall, vosotros form, caéis. They fall, you all fall, ustedes, ellos, ellas form, caen. So yes, we saw that only the yo form is different from regular ER verb conjugation. Next is traer, which means to bring. Let's look at the conjugation. So yes, yo form is not trao, it's traigo, I bring. You bring, or to form, traes. He bring, she bring, you bring, trae. We bring, nosotros form, traemos. You all bring, traéis, vosotros form. They all bring, you all bring, traen. So yes, these conjugations are again applicable for present tense, not applicable for past tense or future or present continuous. Caer, which means to fall, traer, which means to bring. Both ER verbs, and their yo form is irregular, which ends in ego. Let's use them in few sentences. So first for caer, first sentence, to fall in love. Yes, there are other verbs which we can use to say this sentence, but right now we'll use caer. So to fall is caer, love is amor. Caer en el amor, to fall in love. Second one, she never falls. So she is ella, never is nunca, and we are talking about third person of caer, so it cae. So ella nunca cae, she never falls. I fall all the time. So I'm talking about your form of caer, caigo. All is todo, time is tiempo. And because tiempo is a masculine noun, so to express the article or the, we'll say el. So caigo todo el tiempo, I fall all the time. Caigo todo el tiempo, to fall into a trap. Do not fall into a trap, but you want to say this. Trap is trampa, trampa, and because trampa is a feminine noun, so to say a, we'll say una. Caer en una trampa. Caer en una trampa. Next one, examples of traer, which means to bring. I bring fruits. Fruit is fruta, and we are talking about lot of fruits, so frutas. And I bring, your form of traer, traigo. Traigo frutas. Bring in the team here. Team is equipo, here is aquí. So bring in the team here. traer al equipo aquí. Traer al equipo aquí. You bring the files. You are giving a command. So, depending upon you saying in a formal or informal way, you can use tu or usted form of caer. So, and files is archivos. Archivos. Caes los archivos. Cae los archivos. So that's all we have in here. Adios.